Open the boot, bruh. Quick, quick.
Is that it? We're done.
That's it. Quick in and out, bro. It's just cash, bro. Lots and lots of faulty cash. Let's get out of here.
Richie, it's your turn to drive.
I'd love to, but I can't, man. I've been drinking.
Richie, I drove all the way here. You said that...
So I lied, bro. Let's go. Chop, chop, man.
If there's one thing that everyone knows how to do, it's how to lie. We all do it, right? You think that you'd get used to it. Maybe even learn to see it coming. Not me. Not at all. I've never been much good at lying myself, so I just try and say what I mean and do what I say. Which can cause problems, believe me.
Você. Só não posso.
The job was simple, what they call a knock and drop. All I had to do was drive my late brother's ex-partner up to Josie and back again. Easy money. Or that was the plan. I was about to discover there's no such thing. Meet the Nukes.
Jana, kom, alsjeblieft.
A dysfunctional nuclear family on a holiday from hell. That's Yana on the trampoline. She says, but I'm jumping ahead. At this point now, I don't even know these people exist. You could say they're waiting for me in my future.
For God's sake, let's just leave her. Jaco, let's go.
Jana, kom, right now. Jana, out of the bin.
What you got there, Boykie?
I'm gonna build a rocket.
You'll take me with when you blast out of here, right?
Yeah.
And this is where they wait, the ever last resort, in the Karoo. Just off the N1, which is to say, in the middle of nowhere.
Bloody man, that's that girl. See how she speaks to it.
Hey, Jana, how's it going?
Hey, Josh. New day, same bullshit.
Cool, you want to come over later?
If I can escape.
And me too.
Hey, on the banana. You ready? Okay, go.
The biker boys, Hartley and Josh. Their grand African adventure ran to ground when Josh's engine seized on the first day. With no money to fix it, they found work overhauling the resort's aging plumbing system.
See? Huh? Perfect deal! Cut it off! I'm lost in the plumbing in the town.
So let's go back.
What? Can't go back! We're gonna take everything!
This is a straight up reality series. It's in the middle of nowhere. You know what? All I am saying is that worse things have happened. This is not the end of the world. Look, it's now ready.
The puppies. A couple of tenderpreneurs from Joburg, on the run from having their fancy ride repossessed by the bank.
And tomorrow?
I wanna go home.
Well, you can't, okay? Get used to it.
Come on, guys. By the time we get there, the sun's gonna have set.
Yeah, I'm ready. Silly's taking her time.
Well, this place sucks, by the way. Did I mention that? No, well, it's either this or hanging out with Rob's family, so... Celeste! Tomsey! Okay, that's it. I'm going. I'll see you then.
Somebody's got a bikini on today.
Parking! Guys, wait for me! 1, 2, 3.
And the Bachelorette. That's Jackie. She's getting married tomorrow, so she's got together with 3 work friends for one last big night.
Look at that.
And last but not least, the 3 Claudes.
Tell you, boy, you can take your pick any day of the week. Fine-looking boy like you.
Ach, Pops. We could have them over, daddy. Een lekker partijkiekie.
That's way out of your league, Junior. That's for sure.
3 generations on a hunting, shooting, fishing trip.
Get me another dog, Junior.
Claude Sr., his son Claude Jr., and his son Claude III. As I said, I don't know any of these people yet, but I will soon. And this is how it goes down.
Hey, bro, what's going on?
Misfire.
What did you do to my car?
Richie, I'm pulling off.
What's the problem, bruh?
The problem's that the car's 100 years old, Richie.
Okay, okay. Don't get your tinsel in a tangle, my bro.
It's misfiring, so I think the points need to be tightened. Oh, no.
Oh, what?
The ice is melting, Richie. The box is getting wet.
I'll do that, okay? See, what you do is you remove the ice. Problem solved. Ach, stop sulking, Brucey. I remember my first job. Your brother made me drive all the way to Walvis Bay without a break in the desert, bro. This is nothing, huh? Yesterday. Look at this place. This is what I call a whole lot of fuck all.
Richie, we should definitely call Augustus.
What now, bro?
It'll keep going for a while, but we're not gonna make Cape Town tonight.
What? So when will you be back? Huh? Well, where the fuck is that? Hold it, Richie. You're man! Die pajaman! Kau tu siap ada call ya?
Sorry, boss.
Man! You're not fucking with me, are you? Because if you are, call me back in an hour. 1 hour! Mom, you are going on a drive.
What going on?
I don't know. Debbie! Paul! You take the girls with you. You make like you're just there to party, okay?
Fucking hate that.
So pretend!
Stop.
Road trip.
Where are we going?
Too many questions.
Open up! Hello? 24-hour breakdown my ass.
We'll have to spend the night, Richie, bruh.
Look at this place, man. Where are we gonna find a place to... What?
They stopped again. I think they're... Hey. What are you doing?
You said they stopped.
Did I tell you to do the same?
I thought
Don't think, Vusi. Don't. So, chain of command. That's what I'm talking about. You got to respect the chain.
It's almost
Yeah, slow down. In fact, pull over.
Who are you calling?
Who do you think? Yeah, it's me, Nyoga. They stopped. Oh, hey, hang on. They are moving again.
We're going to, right?
Yes, we go. They go, we go. Hey. No, nothing, boss. So do you want us to do it now?
Not yet. If Augustus September suspects us, we can kiss and supply goodbye. Sit tight until they're almost home. Okay, sharp. So, what do you say? We got a deal?
This has been cut.
Ah, man, never. I got this shipment this morning.
Keep the car running, bruh.
We're just closing.
Yes, ma'am. You see, ma'am, we ran into a bit of a bad luck with our car and we're on our way back from Joburg. We just need a place to stay for the night until the mechanics open and we'll be on our way, ma'am. We can settle in advance as well.
Most of the chalets are closed for plumbing, pipes and whatnot. I've got only one suite open now. 5 already full up. That leaves number 13. If you're not superstitious.
Number 13 will be lovely, ma'am.
Gates close at sunset. Nobody comes or goes till dawn. You're just in time.
A lucky day, man.
Cannonball Run or Crazy Apes?
What?
No reception.
So it's Burt Reynolds or The Curious Life of Our Closest Kin.
Whatever, man. It's all cool.
Put on the monthlies.
We've had them twice this week.
You want your wages or not? You boys keep a close eye on those two for me, eh? I can smell trouble when I see it.
Now the good times really can last forever. Welcome to the Everlast Resort. You're here because you deserved.
Which way?
Up here to the left. Massa, moed. Check us, flex, man. Ek sê, bruh, can you be any more conspicuous? Right, Richie, slowly.
Hey, Richie. Those guys have tools. Maybe we can just borrow some tools from them, hey?
Hey, chop, bro!
What the fuck were you driving, miss? You want to kill someone?
Just drive, go, go. I'm at the bank right now. I'm trying to find out what's happening with the bank. Check. Some puss is parking in our park.
Richie, just don't make a fuss, right? I'll just pull over here.
Oh, Lekker, ladies. Ik say, bro, you grab the box now, and I'm gonna go check the lay of the land, my bro.
Richie, is that a good idea?
Away, ladies.
You'll go, Jax. Truth or dare? Okay, I am definitely going to dare. There's no way the questions you come up with. There is no.
Yes, like.
What are you doing? Don't just stand there. Help me. What the fuck?
Sorry, Richie.
It's too late for sorry now, China. Fuck, get the curtain.
It was an honest mistake, okay?
Who told you to touch the box in the first place?
You did.
We gotta get out of here.
Yeah. Okay.
No, not okay, mister. Very fucking far from okay. Right now, I guarantee you, there are people out there trying to figure out exactly how they're gonna fuck us.
Claude. Yes, sir. Not you. C3. Come up here a sec.
What's up, Pops?
Tell me, boy, where do you think a couple of kids like that got all of that kind of money?
I don't know. Casino, maybe.
No. Not like that. Not in an old cardboard box. That is dodgy money.
Yeah?
What do you think? If that money should fall into someone else's hands, what What recourse do you reckon would those bozos have to the law?
What are you scheming, Pops?
Maybe it's ransom money. Or maybe it's counterfeit.
Oh, the way those two guys reacted is a real thing, I'm telling you.
Can I grab a beer?
Please, give me one as well.
Jeez, Artie, not a lot of groente in here.
What's up? Hey, Jan Prana. Yes, please. Ta. Wages? Can I have a kiss?
You, Josh, you smell like drain.
Dude, you just missed the sickest thing.
Geneticists now believe that we share as much as 99%
Not again.
This is fucking Paul just loves these crazy apes. What can I say? Hit.
No, pause.
So these two guys pulled into Chalet 13 earlier.
Yeah. I checked them.
And as they get out, wham, they drop a ton of cash right in the driveway.
Oh, shit. How much?
Must have been like $1 million or so, dude. What's going on here?
Oh, yeah, she deducted the rent.
She can't do that.
That's what I said.
Then where else are we supposed to stay?
No, apparently that was the deal.
Josh, at this rate, we'll be here for freaking months.
The worst places to run to ground, hardly. So where'd they get all this money?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Now you can just ask them, because one of them's coming this way.
What?
Josh.
Well, what do you want with you guys?
No, Josh, get me out of here, for Christ's sakes, man. Mr. Six! Sup?
Hi, Vista, Chalet 13.
Hartley, how's it?
Cool, man. Listen, we just have some engine trouble. We just wondering if we could borrow some tools. Like a power bar, an extender, a set of sockets, you know? The distributor just needs to be tightened up.
It's 68 Mustang, right?
It's 67, I think.
Okay, cool. Just hang on, man.
All right. Oh, hi.
Again.
One of these yours?
Nope. I'm across the way. I just hang with these guys for effect.
Okay.
So what's with all the bucks, Vista?
Uh...
You rob a bank or what?
No. No, it's, we're looking after it.
Right.
Wow. You don't waste any time. You, like, get right to the point, eh?
Life's too short for bullshit, you know?
I guess. Is there somewhere that me and my friend could get something to eat?
Nope. The whole place is pretty much closed.
You're luck, guy. It's not a full set, but...
Oh, okay, no, this is great. Thanks. I didn't get your name.
I didn't give it.
Thanks.
Stop.
Sorry.
No?
Oh, nice guy. He just wanted to say hi.
Kos is reg. Kom. Definitely stolen, dude. Did you see his face? Hartley, I'm scheming.
Do you want to share with the group?
I'm scheming. To hell with your bike, dude. We could just get a couple of new ones.
What are you saying?
We have the master keys, dude. We could just walk in there.
No. Tell me you're joking, dude.
Josh,
No.
we gotta get back on the road.
So why do you give him the tools?
A 67 Mustang distributor uses a number 19 socket. And that particular piece of hardware, they're not going anywhere.
Yes, please.
Who's next? Where did that
Right here. Oh my God, she's gorgeous.
Bridezilla.
And you?
Prove it.
You want
Proof.
You can't handle the proof.
No.
Cartwheel time. No way. No way. It's not that. That guy is standing right over there.
Fine, and it's a forfeit.
No way. Material circumstances changed, so I'm switching to truth.
Okay, fine. Truth then.
So if you had...
Shelly, it's my turn.
Whoa, chicks, keep your niggas on.
Go. Okay, so you got all the money that those guys dropped, right? Would you still marry Round Rob tomorrow?
Truth, though.
I asked you not to call him that.
Hey. Don't change the subject.
It's totally hypothetical.
Okay, fine. We'll concrete it up for you. What if we got you the money?
You couldn't. So it's still hypothetical.
But what if we did?
How could you?
Well, I don't have to.
I know.
Yeah? Bullshit. How?
Does anyone have any sleeping pills?
Yeah, I do.
Drinks.
That's right. I must back.
Lucas, dinner's ready.
Just a minute.
What is it they were doing out there?
He's on a secret mission.
No, you didn't, Lucas.
It'll be fine. That's it. Nice boy. Come back. Booyah.
It's on the move again. Straight ahead. Slowing down. And it stopped again.
Hey, Nyok.
Huh?
We are here.
Where? Oh.
So, what now?
Now we wait.
It's a very specific thing, Richie. Either it fits or it doesn't. And right now, I'm not gonna do so.
But you can make a plan, right?
Maybe. I just need to find the right size. Look, if this doesn't work, then we're just gonna have to sit tight. What the hell, Richie?
You want some, bro?
Where did you get that?
Hey, I'm just trying to make the best of a cuck situation, all right?
Please tell me you did not get this from Papa Brav.
Lady, stop your chunking, all right? I'm no fucking fool. I had it all sorted out. He waited and everything, and besides, we long gone.
Hey, where's the cash?
I stashed it, man.
Where?
Guess.
I don't know.
Ta-da! Safest place in the world, man.
It doesn't even lock.
Any poos can crack a lock. This over here is psychological, bro. No one checks in the freezer. Known fact. I checked it in a movie once.
Now what?
What?
Hi.
Oh, are they?
Me and my friends, we're having this thing, and Jack is getting married, and we just wanted to know if you guys maybe want to join us for a drink.
Us?
Yeah, okay. You know, it's fine. I can see you're busy. I'll
No,
just...
I tell you what, we'd love to come.
Actually, no. We are busy now.
No.
Hi.
Hi.
My friend Vista here is going to sort the car out, but I'd be delighted. Darling?
What is it?
It's the same as last night. Bought a case, it was on special.
Anything to save a buck, right, Rickers?
It's not so bad, love.
Please don't call me that.
Sorry, Dad.
Och, kyk hoe romanties is julle twee. Sy klaar, pagie in. Dis asof ons nog steeds by die huis is.
English at table, dear?
Sê my pa, waar's Jaco?
Jaco? Jaco! Waar is hy, sien?
Ek sit vas. Hallo, pa.
Jaco.
Dinner's getting cold. Oh, for heaven's sake.
What now is it?
Ground control to Jaco de Staku. You okay, kid?
No.
Jammer, kind. Can you get him out that side?
It's padlocked, but I can try to lift it off its hinges.
Jaco,
What's this?
I just wanted to form a rocket. Good lord, the little pyro could have killed us.
Oh, voila. What's your star sign, Richie?
Sagittarius, eh? Bold and passionate.
No way. But that's not dance very well.
I hit that all the time.
Another one. Better safe than sorry.
Yeah, bring it. So when's the big day?
Tomorrow, 1500.
Sing out. Go, Richie. Go, Richie. Go, Richie. Go, Richie. Hey, look who's here.
No, come in. Don't hobble like a hoover. Everyone, this is Vista, the brew with the view.
Hi, Vesta.
It's Pumzi, it's Celeste, it's Shelly, and Jackie in the frock. How we doing, brew?
Not good. We stuck till morning.
Shame.
Well, we could have found worse people places. We could have placed worse.
Hey, Richie, are you alright?
Never better. Never better. All good. Never better. Hey, here comes the bride.
And one for you.
Let me tell you about this guy. He doesn't.
No, I'm alright. Thanks.
Come on, have a drink, Vista. It's just one drink. It's a buddy.
He doesn't drink nothing.
You know what? I'll have some water.
Hey, Richie, maybe you shouldn't you just like slow down?
Oh man, he's gonna taste that. He's gonna see it. What cool drink? We haven't got any.
It's the gast of September.
Yeah, put Richie on.
Richie's not available right now.
Who you, the fucking secretary?
No, it's just he's not feeling so good.
I don't care how or who he's feeling. Put him on the line.
He's in the bathroom throwing up.
Who are you?
I'm the driver.
Listen here. Richie was supposed to call me back hours ago. Are you Owens fucking with me?
No, sir. Not at all. The car broke down, genuine. We're in a place called Everlast. It's just off of the N1. The garage is gonna open tomorrow, and we're going to be home by lunchtime.
What's your name?
I'm the new guy, Jerome's brother.
That's not what I asked you.
Vista.
You realize that this puts you in charge of my money.
The money's safe. You have my word on that.
And you know what I do to people that don't keep their word. Right, Vista?
Yes. I know. Richie, wake up.
Must have been a long drive, hey?
Could I just leave him here until he wakes up?
Sure. No problem. Take as long as you like.
will come back though, yeah?
Yeah, if I can.
You gotta promise.
Okay.
Okay. What now?
Perfect. Just a sec. Coming.
Hello there.
Hello.
I won't mess around. I know you're a busy man.
Okay.
I've got something that belongs to you.
Something that belongs to me?
It's not with me right now. It's at a location known only to myself.
So, what are you talking about?
I think you know.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
No, I really don't.
It's small, black. It's got a flashing red light. Ring a bell? I'm prepared to return it to you.
Okay, great.
At a price, of course.
Oh, I see.
100,000.
I actually am quite busy, so...
90. Final offer.
I've got to go.
85. Okay, 80. You drive a hard bargain.
Thank
70.
you so much, though.
It's just
Thank you.
talk.
Think about it. Maybe we'll make a deal.
That's it. That's out there.
Air of excitement in the canopy this evening as the young males prepare to set out on what may prove to be an extremely risky adventure.
Okay, let's get ready. Josh.
Hartley, when life deals you a hand, the trick is to accept it.
Oh, right. Right.
That's Buddhism, bro.
It's bullshit, is what it is. Total bullshit.
Shit happens, fate rolls the dice.
And most times, it screws you in the ass. But just that once in a while, it throws you a bone.
We have to go with the flow.
No, dude. I'm done with the flow. It's getting us nowhere. I mean, look at us. Does it look like Lumumbashi? Are we diving Lake Malawi, Joshua? No, because you were too stoned.
Oil light was broken. I didn't know!
Whatever. Point is, my bike is fine, dude. So either we do this, or you can rebore your own fucking engine on your own.
Fine.
Because even in the rough and tumble hurly-burly of the jungle, everyone needs a little tender loving care. And this young capuchin is fortunate enough to find what he's looking for right here.
Look, I told you, I don't know what you're talking about.
But I haven't even said anything.
Hi. Sorry, I thought you were... Hi.
I brought you guys some leftovers.
That's very thoughtful of you.
Yana,
Huh?
my name. Is your friend here?
No. He's next door.
Nice place, Vista.
Yeah?
I'm joking. They all look exactly the same.
So can I get you a drink?
Sure. Why not? So, you guys heading north? Spice Island?
No, I wish. You been there?
Zanzibar. This place is about as exotic as we get. You?
One day. We've only got beer.
Oh, it's fine. It's my dad. He wants to know where I am. He is going to pop a gasket when he finds out I'm over at Chalet 13. What's the story, Vista? I mean, you guys rolling here with a shit ton of cash. Everyone's talking about it. Of course, no one has the balls to ask.
Except you.
Except me. Cheers.
It's drug money. This morning, we dropped off 64 200-gram packets of cocaine to one guy, and I'll take the cash over to another guy.
You don't have to tell me that.
Life's too short for bullshit.
Yeah, right. I guess. Oh, look. He commands me to go home onmiddellik. Listen, I got a hit and run, but it's been informative.
Don't you want to maybe just...
I can't. If I don't go, he'll come here, so...
Okay.
But it was really nice chatting to you.
Thanks. For the food.
Sure. Later.
Yeah. I don't know. Somewhere past 1,000 feet. Huh? What? Guys, remember this. Okay, go. Ever. Got that? Carry on. Last. Oh. Ever last. How am I supposed to know if he's sick or not? Hmm? And the cash? Okay, got it. Okay, boy. Okay, bye.
What cash is this monk?
No need to mock.
First we heard about cash.
You're not supposed to know. Cash is freaking that rich. He's pulling a fast one.
Come on, man. You can tell us. We're your friends. How much?
It's 1.2
million.
I never said none. Poco.
Five card, double draw, aces high, one-eye jack, so wild.
So, when do we make our move, Pops?
Later. We sit tight. Let things settle first. When the time is right, we go in hot and heavy. Those bozos won't know what hit them.
How come I don't get a gun, Pops?
You don't need one. You're the driver.
Oh. Yeah, but...
And now? What those clowns up to now?
Could be they have the same idea.
What do we do now? Nothing. If they want to do the hard part for us, that's fine. We'll catch them up just now. $10 to play, gentlemen. Lady.
Horsball?
Weet nie.
So how's the rocket coming?
Gave up, won't fly.
And now?
Bombed.
Ah, much better plan.
He went for his secret cigarette about an hour ago.
I don't get you, Lizette. If you despise me so much, why don't you just go?
I live in hope.
So, what's it gonna take to... What the hell?
They back, Pops.
And no sign of the cash. Interesting.
I'm out. I had nothing. What am I supposed to do? I can't bluff all the time.
Anyway, it's time for you to turn the boat around.
Why me?
Because you're the driver, not nuts. And you can start packing the gear while you're at it.
Josh, what's that?
What's what?
In your hand.
Tools.
You... Why the fuck do you have the tools, Josh?
Because they're ours, Haki.
What, do you think they won't notice that they're gone?
Oh, right.
Oh, Josh, man! Take them back. Yes, Einstein, take them back. Do it now before they get back. Oh, fuck! Okay, come.
Hi.
Your friend, Richie, he's not doing so well.
What's wrong?
We think you better come see.
Yeah.
All right, let me just get my t-shirt.
Okay, now. We think he had some sort of seizure or something.
Seizure?
Who the fuck are you?
Richie! Come on, wake up, man!
He was shaking just now.
He had us really worried.
He looks okay to me. Richie, wake up!
Hey, Vista! We managed to find some sparkling mineral water, by the way. It's for you.
Nah, I'm okay, Ta. Richie, come, man!
No, really.
Celeste went to a lot of trouble to get you that water, Vista.
Right. Okay, thanks.
Mister?
This is Rich.
Where the hell am I?
We're next door. You passed out.
My phone.
I've got it. It's okay.
Where's the money? I moved it in safe. Give me the key.
Relax, man.
Give me the motherfucking key.
Richie, wait up, man.
Vista! Hi. Just a sec. I saw something weird.
the hell's wrong with me? What the fuck are you doing here?
What does it look like?
How did you get in here?
Are you gonna talk or are we gonna play?
Janet.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah? Who the fuck are you? Don't shoot me. Who is this guy and what the fuck is he doing here? Know what it looks like?
Pervert.
Yeah? Were you guys in Chalet just now?
Which one is that, bro?
What the hell were you doing in there?
Listen, bro.
Look, I'm not gonna ask twice.
Tools, bro.
What? You said you'd bring them back.
Yeah, and you were out, so we had keys, and we figured, what the hey.
Oh, right. Tools.
What have you done with it? I swear, I don't know. Ask her.
Fuck you, dude.
Just shut up. Let me think. If he moves, scream. How long do you reckon before he figures you out?
One more word from you.
You know what? You want to get out of here? I can show you a way. But you gotta be shh, okay? Deal. There's nothing there, Nick.
The last thing I need to be doing is to walk up to total strangers' doors and knocking on them at the middle of the night, accusing them of taking... Look, I just need to keep my eye on the cash until the gates open in the morning, okay?
Okay, fine. Suit yourself. Jeez.
Richie!
We hope you enjoyed this audiovisual presentation. Everlast Results. You're here because you deserve to be.
Because you're a fucking idiot, Vista.
This tape will now rewind and replay.
Yes?
I need to speak to Jana. Please.
And you are?
It's fine, Lizette.
Jana, what's going on here?
It's none of your business.
I thought I should bring these back.
Tar?
I was mean.
Yeah, you were.
I'm sorry.
I thought you had to stay home and watch your precious stash.
Yeah, I checked on it. It's okay. I panicked, Jana.
Let's get out of here.
Where is he? That sneaky deaky piece of shit husband of yours, lady.
Oh, him? I've absolutely no idea.
graduated. This was ages ago, and I swear I haven't seen him since.
Okay, fine. We're just gonna have to wait then.
And now?
This is a development, right, Pops? This is our chance.
Junior, how are you doing there?
I don't see why you guys can't help me with this. Just because I'm the driver doesn't
Quiet,
mean...
man. It's nearly time to move. Good man. Cheers.
Dude, check it out. It's Yana and that other dude. Midnight stroll alert.
You're on a banana.
Yeah.
Oh, Josh, do you know what this means?
What?
We get another shot.
So, what's the story, Vista? I mean, you don't come across as your average drug runner.
You know a lot of drug runners.
No, but I don't think returning the crockery fits the stereotype.
That was really just an excuse to see you.
No one ever taught you how to lie, did they?
I just never saw the point.
Refreshing.
Whoa!
Sign of a misspent childhood. So?
This is actually just my second job. My brother... It's a long story.
I've got all night. Come, your turn.
What?
Go, just jump. Go. Jump. So?
He died. Jerome. 3 weeks ago now. He got shot doing a job for... Anyways, they needed a driver to fill in, so I got the gap.
Higher. And?
Well, it pays better than fixing cars.
My mom died. 2 years ago. It sucks, eh?
Yeah, it really does.
Do you want to go for a swim?
In fact, if one pays close attention to their behavior, the parallels between their story and ours become remarkably clear. Welcome to the amazing story of our closest kin, the Crazy Apes. Genetics is now
Hello?
believed that we share as much as 99.6% of our DNA with the chimpanzee. So let us start by looking at them.
Keep watch.
We begin by examining the different versions of ten. In both species, the male is far more likely to risk injury or even death to return to one night's work.
Jezus, mas 'n kaklampie jy.
Oh, joh. Debbie. What do you think Augustus would do if he thought that Mang took the money and skipped town?
Mang never do that. He's dumb, but he's not crazy.
I mean, I didn't say that he'd actually done it. Just if that's what Augustus thought.
And why would he think that?
Because we told him.
And who'd really have the cash?
We would.
And where'd Mang be?
Mang would be dead.
Much better. Okay, ladies. Let's see the... Let's go.
Capuchin monkey uses a stick to try and get at the prize, but for now it remains tantalizingly out of reach. Frustrated by his lack of success, the young fellow begins to cast around, growing increasingly erratic in his behavior. Meanwhile, his laconic mate has found another object
Josh!
of attention.
I thought I told you to keep a watch out, man, you know? I mean, just turn this damn thing off.
That's the aircon, dude. This is the TV.
So now what? Back to laying pipes, I guess.
She drives us all nuts, you know, but what can you do? My dad will never leave her because he's absolutely terrified of being alone again. He'll do like anything to please her. Thing is, she's impossible to please. So I'm just treating water. I'm waiting for real life to begin.
Look at this place. I can't decide whether it's spectacular or just...
Spectacularly creepy.
Yeah.
This is weird. I hardly even know you.
Dude, great. Good evening. Count on it, bozos. Dude, take it all back. Give it cheese. We didn't have to work again. We're not loaded. I said, get your bag, jump onto mine, and we get out of there. Don't do anything stupid. And you may both live to see sunrise.
Crap. Money on the floor. Do it.
Easy, son. Take a seat, gents.
Jenny!
Guys.
Oh my God, Jenny!
Ice. You gotta be ice cold. New Delhi, Mexico. They got it rough. Bogota, Lagos. Sure, but... You're listening to me? Nothing beats Josie for pure criminal instinct. That's it. Nalawena. That's our heritage. Hey. You know, where's Anna? Someone's in a hurry.
See if you can open it.
And the money? It hasn't moved.
Daddy, you okay?
Let's turn the back around. Junior, slip out a bit, man. There's my boy.
That's what I'm talking about. See that? No, that's ice cold. Look, is there a naked white woman in the back of that boat? Yeah. What the hell kind of a place is this?
Hurry up, guys! Wait! What the?
They're coming back.
Off the road!
I was like 14. It was the first time you've been around boys and all the families. Because it's kind of safe here, so they let us do pretty much whatever we want. My mom loved it especially. She really loved it, yeah.
Someone going fishing?
Oh, it's the Claudes.
The who?
Opa, Papa, and Boykie. They've all got the same name. Can you believe it?
You're kidding.
So, I'm gonna swim or what, Vista?
Are you serious?
I mean, I know it's on Zanzibar, but come on. Come. Vista, you scared? Come.
Okay.
Mister, come.
Whoa, that's it.
Hey, what are we gonna do with the bakkie? C3 can park it off to one side. We can come back for it later when things cool off. Julia, come, focus. Come. Take us to the boat. Hey, you don't speak to me like that, okay?
I bet you didn't expect this when you woke up this morning.
This morning seems so far away.
What problem, though? Why should we bother with the booze?
No time. Essential class.
Whose toothbrush is this?
Someone just listen
Mine.
to me. So, who's taking the cash?
I'll take it.
No ways. We are in this together.
Whoa. This money is supposed to get me out of marrying Round Rob. Remember? We agreed on that, right?
Well, maybe at first.
The money is safe. You said so yourself.
But if it's not, I have to go check. How could I be so stupid?
Just relax. It'll be fine.
You don't understand, Yana. This guy, he killed people, like dead, for real.
Yana.
Paul?
What?
Paul?
Stay away from her.
What the hell?
Come on.
Go. Yana, kom eens.
It's fine. Just go.
Go. Hey, fuck off. Come anywhere near my daughter again, huh? You understand?
What fucked up parallel universe is that fair? Can I just say something? I can't believe that you guys would do this to me. We had a deal. Whatever we decide, let's just make
Guys,
it fast.
guys! 4 cars, 4 packets, 4 of us. Let's just each take one and we'll sort this out later.
Guys, fine, deal.
Ready?
Guys, the gate's locked. We can't get out.
What? Why are you saying that?
Perhaps that could be of assistance.
Who the fuck are you?
Lucas from Pulukang, chalet number 15.
You just stay there, mister.
I'm not moving.
Celeste, what? It's for self-defense.
Ladies, just 2 seconds. Can I speak?
Make it quick.
All right. You have a problem. I have a solution. It's a win-win. Huh? I mean, the gates are locked until sunrise. And you've got this money that needs safekeeping. I can keep it safe for you.
And why should we trust you?
You don't have to. One of you can come with me and the money until dawn. And the rest go back and party like nothing ever happened. Maybe, just maybe, you might make it through the night. Or you can stand here.
They're coming back.
Those guys. You don't have time, girls.
And what do you want?
25%. Take it or leave it.
Dream on.
Okay, 200.
1. Deal?
1 deal.
Let's go.
Jesus.
We don't have a choice. I'm gonna stay with the money.
Are you crazy?
Celeste, give me the gun.
It's mine.
Give me the gun. Relax. I'm gonna be right over there. I'm not going anywhere.
We're watching you, Jackie.
Yeah, whatever.
No.
Come,
Where's the money?
Untie us first.
Oh, can you just take it slowly?
Where is it?
We take nothing until you untie us.
Once in your life, Yona, can you not just do what I say? Is it too much to ask?
Listening to you my whole life.
Close the door. Close it. See what I'm talking about? Take it off, please. Are you sure? Okay.
Where the hell were you? You no good piece of shit excuse for a man. You leave me alone with this maniac. You're gonna rape me for fuck's sake. And as for you, you little slut, I'm gonna tell your father exactly what you've been up to. This black guy comes to the door and...
Look, Prim, I don't know how you deal with this goose, but clearly you digger enough to tell me exactly where my money is, or I'll shoot her in the head. Oh, I don't know. It's sweet.
Oh, really? On your daughter's life?
Start talking.
Okay, we had your money for like 15 seconds and the clothes took it, bro.
What? The clothes don't have it.
I swear they
That's
do.
true. Dude, they were gonna take it anyway.
You're not listening. I just saw the clothes outside. They're freaking out.
They lost it. Dude, they lost it.
That means somebody else has it.
That's karma, bro. That's karma. It serves those assholes right.
I am so screwed.
Actually, the camp is sealed until dawn, and there's only a handful of us here.
Yeah, man, there's no way that kind of money could disappear into thin air, dude.
So if you want to find your cash, all you need is somebody who knows this place like the back of their hand.
Yeah, but who?
Us, dickwad. But it's gonna cost you.
And there's a 50. Want some coffee?
Sure, Ta, it's going to be a long night.
Tams, please, make us coffee. Tamsy? Make us sugar?
2, Ta. Listen, Lucas. You look to me like a man with a plan.
I'm listening.
If you can find a way to get me the hell out of here, I'll double your cut.
Sure you will.
I don't owe those girls anything. And I need to get the hell out of here. You make that happen, and I'll never see them again. It'll just be a party.
What did you do that for? She was about to double our cut.
Why settle for a cut?
He's got a gun, Lizette. What do you want me to do?
Will you two please just get it out?
It's not bloody here. Like I said. Unless... sneaky fucks.
Maybe they saw something.
Vista!
Yana, what's wrong? What is it?
Stop! Right there.
Richie, what the hell are you doing?
Got the fucking money.
No, they don't.
I caught that oak in our chalet. He's got the fucking money.
Richie, look at them. Where are they gonna hide $1 million?
In that case, mister, who's got the fucking money?
There's gotta be another way out. Get a kiss.
Got it? So where do we meet?
I'll call you. Mzansi, don't move until I drop those ladies off, okay?
First, you're supposed to know about cars. Second, you're the doers that dropped the box in the first place.
The box split, Richie. It wasn't my fault.
This whole piece of shit is your fault.
Guys, what's he doing? Go!
Not one move until we sort this caca out. Come here.
You know what? I've done everything I can. I'm sorry, Richie.
I'm sorry this, I'm sorry that. I'm tired of this sorry cuck. I told you a long time ago it's too late for I'm sorry.
Stop!
Oh, cuck.
We can cut him off over here.
Okay, go.
That fucker's got my money. I know a shortcut. 100 clip, right guy?
Right.
Let's go. Oh, now we're cutting deals with Augusta September's money. Not cool, bro. We'll sort this caca out when I come back. Fix the car.
$1 million up for grabs. And I married the limp dick loser who's not interested.
Get the kids inside, lock the doors, and start packing.
You heard it. Let's go. Yana?
Just a sec. Didn't the guy in the black pajero have a wife and a kid?
Yana?
Tim, he's got it. Green bags on the front seat.
I will wait for it. Faster to me, faster.
Hello, honey, do you have your...
Look, I'm not gonna hurt him.
Come to mommy.
I'm just gonna close the suitcase. Take what's ours. And walk away.
Not so fast, China Bean.
No back chat. Yana, why aren't you packing?
I think I'm gonna...
What's that?
What's what? Listen.
Look. It's coming this way. Me again.
What is it, damn yoga? I'm busy.
You okay, boss?
Far from fucking okay. I am still going through the consignment, trying to figure out exactly how hard I've been as fucked by that little prick. Do me a favor, Yoga. Just kill him, okay? Get the money, and then make a big, nasty mess. Something that Augustus September will hear about. Something that says you do not fuck with Papa Bravo and live to tell the bloody tale.
Yes! Actually, no. Get up!
Hi.
Yana.
You better hurry.
Listen, Vista, you're gonna let us out too, right? Vista Mamela. Please, Vista.
I have to go. I'm sorry.
No, but Vista, you can't leave us.
Where's the blood money? Where's the money? I don't have the money.
going on?
Stay down.
Motherfucker!
What the hell's going on? Where's the money? It's gone. What do you mean gone? Gone where? No one knows. Pick up, baby.
Nyok,
huh? How are we gonna get inside?
We'll go on foot along the fence. There must be a way in. Moving. Okay. Whoa! Where the hell did you get that?
Borrowed it from my cousin.
When are you full of surprises? Wait.
What? Say, I can't talk.
Can't talk how was one. I gotta go spot. Can I get cousin is one? It's a man. It's a man. Can I take him a seat, guy?
This is the place.
Baby spot.
Don't you dare! Don't do it! Don't do it!
You gotta be kidding.
That does belong to you.
Oh, really? Because this little gun says otherwise.
Just give me the money.
Or what? Do you think your life means more to me than this?
Are you gonna shoot me too?
Oh, this is very touching. Are you willing to take the risk, Yana? Because after all the crap you've thrown my way the last 2 years, are you sure my finger won't just accidentally? You'll stop at nothing to irritate your father, won't
Shut
you?
up, Azate.
Do you think she actually gives a rat's crap about you? You're just another way of getting Daddy's attention. And if you do succeed in driving me away, what then? It's not going to bring your mother back, Yana. It's time for you to grow up and accept the fact that she's dead and I'm here to...
I'm not.
Sorry.
Do not apologize.
Right. What now?
We'll go somewhere and hide until the gates open.
Bikers. They've got keys to all the chalets.
We'll take that.
I can shoot him, Pops. Can I shoot him?
Not yet. Give here.
Listen, okay? This money belongs to...
Belongs to us. Inside. Move.
Round and round and round it goes. Change of plan, Josh. Pop the hood. Where'd you stash your hazard tape?
Down there. Why?
Please, just take the money. You don't need to.
Open the bedroom.
No.
Leave her alone. And you can shut the fuck up too. Put them in the other bedroom. Fucking hell.
Let me out.
That's so nice. Let's go.
No. Let me out.
Vista?
Hi, Anna, I'm here. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. You?
I'm alright.
Temsi, it's me again. Please, pick up your phone, man. I'm coming.
He's changed direction.
Nyoka,
Come, man, quickly.
I'm stuck.
Hurry up, dude. They're coming back.
Take the death suitcase. 5 minutes and be back on the boat and home free. Come on! Come on! Shut up, Julia! Fuck! How far is it to the slipway?
Not too far. We could hoof it.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
This way. Watch the ditch.
That was a stupid thing to do.
Hartley?
Pops!
Fuck me. Okay, good.
Did it work?
Hardly a dent.
Can you try kicking it in?
I can't. These doors open inwards. We're so screwed, Yana. Listen. I'm so sorry I got you involved in this.
Vista, I had more fun tonight than I had the rest of this crappy holiday. Vista,
Yeah?
you know what Lizette said out there?
What?
Bo?
Bo? Jana, take us. Come here.
Bo, this is here.
Perfect.
No, you're right.
I'm fine.
Where's that guy?
He's through here.
And that's where you'll stay, okay?
But Bo,
For God's sake, look what he did to me.
you were gonna shoot him.
Enough! This has all gone too far. We pack, we leave
No,
now.
Bo. Vista!
Yana! Yana!
Vista! Bo!
Yana!
Sometimes, when the universe has totally screwed you over, it likes to make a point, just to rub it in, just in case you missed it.
Okay, that's it. Hand it over.
You okay, dude? You're not gonna have a heart attack or something?
Right. Let's get on the bike before the others to get their shit together.
Deal, we had a deal.
Dude, come on. That's just not real. Hold in your head, buddy.
Oh, come on. Jackie. Jackie?
Where is she?
Where's who?
What the hell are you doing in here? That prissy bitch from up the road.
You can't just leave someone locked in a room, Pa. It's not right.
Shut up and back, Jana.
No, I'll be back.
I just let her go,
In
Drickus.
3 months' time, she can do whatever she wants. But until then, you're my responsibility and you'll do what I say.
No, I won't. You can't just...
Now back.
Keys.
What else do we need?
A jacket, boots, and a helmet. Did you lock my door? Never mind.
Hey, do you want to have a quick bong?
Oh, Josh, that's not a great idea right now.
Because I made one.
Put it down.
We were just on our way to give you your cut, guy. Like, serious. So you're gonna stick to your side of the deal, right? Play it straight.
Like you played it straight with me.
Pops! Daddy!
You lost it, didn't you?
Richie! Where the fuck are you been, man?
We should leave right away.
What's the point, China? The money's gone. We can't go home. We night.
No,
Believe me, Augustus September's gonna hear exactly what's that?
Money.
The money. No way.
Way.
My brati metahachi. Oh, shit. What? That's Papa Bravo's guys.
How did they?
Oh, motherfucker.
You're getting close.
Mzansi? Mzansi?
There he is. That's our guy.
Okay, baby.
You cool?
Like eyes, Mfo. Like eyes.
What the hell happened here?
Thank God. Thank God.
Mzansi, where's the money?
Well, honey, the money's gone. It's gone. They took it.
Mzansi, what the hell? After everything I've been through.
After everything you've been through, Lucas.
Who's that?
No, I don't know.
I can't, my shoes on. Wait. Okay, so what happens now?
Shut him the hell up! Come! No, this guy's gone. Come, let's go, come on! Come on! Come on! We gotta get out of here. Jack a car or something.
That's what I'm saying. I can fix the car.
How? How long is this gonna take, bro?
Not long. But that's if it works. Rich, where are you going?
Bro, you just fix the car, okay? I'm gonna find out what the hell's going on here. Twist. Hey, nah! Don't pull! Twist! I am twisting. You really didn't have to do that, huh? Fucking umbeskof. You know what, Josh? Karma cuts both ways.
Exactly. Yana.
You just leave us alone.
Yana.
Yana, stay in the car.
Come with us. Away. Anyway. Zanzibar.
Listen, I can't.
I know it sounds crazy. Just say yes.
Sounds nice.
What's that behind you?
Hello again.
Okay, John. Okay. We're gonna have to split. I'm gonna take this direction and we'll take you now and go that direction. See if we can get some help.
No, Lucas, please, but...
No buts. Trust me. Okay? I'll have to throw them away. Go! Okay, boys. Off you go. Oh, damn. Oh, shit.
love. No! Don't call me that!
You lock a person in a boot!
You steal their money! Just never your money.
It was in my car!
Hang on a second.
Yeah, what was it doing in your car?
Yeah.
You see?
We already
Give me the fucking money! I haven't got it! Bullshit!
Oh, Jesus. Gentlemen, let's talk, okay? We can negotiate.
Okay. We'll go first.
By all means. I'm here to listen.
We have a message from Papa Bravo.
Papa who?
Fuck! What the fuck was that?
Look, maybe you should just go. But at least give me your number.
Hang on, not so fast, lover boy.
I told you I don't have the fucking money!
If you listen to the That was gunfire, I'm telling you. We need guns. You got guns, right?
Of course I got guns, man. What we need is for this fucking gate to...
For God's sakes, open!
Yes, sis, Debs.
Everybody, inside! You off the bike, girls! Just that shit! You out the car, inside! Now! Move it!
It was cold, man.
Look. Huh? If this guy's got the money, so where's it?
It's not here. What the hell was that?
Sounded like...
Move the star! I can get it back! Throw out the money! We don't have the money!
All right, you'll wake the dead.
Get in there. Get in there.
What are we doing back here? I didn't want to be here. I hated to say shut up.
Everybody back up against the wall. Now.
Claude! Claude, stay too near. Okay, I need you to throw this guy out. What? Run across there so I can get a shot. Are you crazy? Don't you define me, boy. Go!
No.
No? You've bullied me and tortured me and messed with me all my life, and now... How dare you? No more! I've had it! It's not the time for the...
As long as he keeps holding tightly onto the banana, he will never be able to draw his hand back out and take part in the true feast that is waiting.
Suddenly, it became clear. That was me. I was the monkey. In all the commotion and chaos, a new thought was forming in my head. Sometimes, to get what you really want, you gotta let go.
Don't even think about following us, all right? Mister, let's make a move, bro. Mister, bra, fuka now, man.
I'm done with this.
What? Don't give me that. I don't want that.
Actually, it's mine.
And don't even think about giving it to her.
This is not for me. You go.
Water.
Shut up! Vista, calm, bro.
Let him stay, if he wants.
Who asked for you? Get back up against the wall!
My face is on fire! You said it was going to be a lovely resort. You said there was going to be dancing and parties and friendly people. Look at this place. I've had it with this. It's ugly. It's vulgar. The people are nasty and the furniture's plastic and they're polycotton sheets on the beds and I can't stand those necks.
I'm looking for Richie Rich! It's you he wants. You gotta give yourself. Forget about it. No, forget it. He's in here! What are you doing?
I'm giving him the money.
No, you fucking not.
It's your only chance.
Augustus September will kill me, bro.
He catches us. Listen, Richie, we don't have to go back. We can just disappear.
Go where and do what, Vista?
Listen, Jerome died, so that sadistic son of a bitch could get rich. I'm not gonna be next.
Toss it out and you're dead anyway.
You're gonna shoot me. Over this?
Only if you make it.
On the count of 3, I'm coming in.
Okay.
Oh.
So what's the plan exactly now?
Augustus said he might not be at the party.
I think you'll find it's a bit late for that.
I'm tossing the cash out now!
Is that the money?
Uh-huh.
Are you rich?
No. I'm Vista.
Why don't I?
I promise. Richie! Richie, tell him I'm me! Richie!
I got a message from Papa Bravo.
Mom!
What the fuck are you doing here? Kijk for the cash, Richie. Bruh, this kak is under control, okay?
I got to take it back, bruh.
We were just about to leave, bro.
Mr. September.
I don't give a fuck what he said.
Hey.
We're gonna take the money back, just like I promised.
There's no need to be...
Oh, really?
Fuck you. I got no beef with you, Vista. Gooi het hier. Let's go, ladies. We can most take this car.
alone. It's raining bugs, dude.
On the bus! Go! Come on! Yara! Fly! Hold on, please! Alone!
Don't stop, boys. I'll take it when you're done.
They say money can't buy you happiness, and I guess that's a good thing. Because if all the rich people went around being totally happy all the time, as well as being rich, I think that would probably be too much for the rest of us to deal with. But we all need a little cash to spend. And when we headed north, we had nothing but the clothes on our backs. So how did we make it to Zanzibar? Well, that's where doing what you say comes into it.
100 clips, right, guy? Right. Let's go.
Right or wrong, I'd made a deal. And just because the bikers tried to out-scheme me...
But you're gonna stick to your side of the deal, right? Play it straight. Huh?
One way or another, I had got the money back. And that wouldn't have happened without them. So... I played it straight. I mean, your word's your word, right? And here's the thing. Sometimes, every now and then, playing it straight actually works out best. And this is a story of one of those times.
Hakuna matata, hakuna matata. Zanzi yetu hakuna matata. Zanzi njiziru hakuna.
Of course, it wasn't all the money, but $100,000 goes a long way in paradise.
Njia kupeketa hakuna matata. Hakuna matata, hakuna matata.
I never did find out what happened to the rest of it, though. I guess I never will. And you know what? That's okay with me.
Ik zie hier as jy sad voel om jou gelukkig te maak. As die son gaan slaap en dit begin het donker raak. Ek's hier vir die goeie, ek's hier vir die sleg.
I'll take that.
Not so fast. Dash it down, bozo.
face, jy's dik blerry shop.
Ons behoort mos saam. Ja, ons behoort mos saam. Ons gaan nou saam vir die kansel staan. Want baby, ons behoort mos saam.
Hy se bietjies te vet en sy hare is te lank. As hy voor oë buk, maak sy poepole klank. Hy lyk so'n braaivleis met 'n bier in sy hand. En hy hou sommer lekker my vie aan die brand. Hi baby, jy's te punankies. I know you love me, al maak ek jou vies. Sorry, forgive me, ek vra mos askies. Want wat sal die liewe nou sonder jou wees? Deur die dik en die dun, baie en die min. Jy kan op my vertrou, ek jou kind en jou vriend. Jy's alles wat mal is, Pieter Azak alles. Sit my gebou, laat ek spin. Kan nie wag vir die dag wanneer ons lief vasmaak. Tussen holy matrimony, his feelings vir jou diep binne-in. My hart is joune, bring nou die ring.
Ons behoort mos saam. Ja, ons behoort mos saam. Ons gaan nou saam vir die kansel staan. Want baby, ons behoort mos saam.
Jy's die warm in die heater en die koud in my ys. Jy's die koppie koffie om die tafel in die kombuis. Jy's 'n last minute try om die game te wen. Jy's 'n goue rope necklace. Jy's my gem. Jy's popcorn in 'n movie. Jy's chocolates en champagne. Jy's daar's jy nie hoef nie. Jy's my borrelbad se sky. Jy's gemaklik soos pyjamas en fancy soos Sue. Ja, sweetheart, jy's myne. Jy's die basement in my boot. Daar's 'n wip in my stappie. Daar's 'n bons in my ros. 'n Skuif in my gly en my glas is weer vol. Want ek voel soos 'n hero as jy langs my staan. Ag sweetheart, ek en jy behoort mos saam.
Ons behoort mos saam. Ja, ons behoort mos saam. Ons behoort mos saam. Ja, ons behoort mos saam. Ons gaan nou saam vir die kansel staan. Want baby, ons behoort mos saam.
Ag sweetheart, ek en jy behoort mos saam.
Ons behoort mos saam. Ons gaan nou saam vir die kansel staan. Want baby,
ons behoort mos saam.